For today's mini tripping, we will check this foreclosed condo unit in Tagaytay with a view of the Taal Lake. If you are interested, please message me directly. This is Wind Residences located along Nasugbu Tagaytay Road, and it's near Sky Ranch and Mahogany Market. This is one bedroom, 32 square meters, below market value at 4.5 million or 140,000 per square meter. And as you can see, the unit is not in good condition. Medyo marami kailangan ipaayos. Although meron na siyang mga improvements like drop ceiling, glass sliding door, and other fixtures, much better ipacheck nyo pa rin sa contractor or architect nyo to assess how much would be your incidental expenses. Because as is where is po tayo dito upon turnover and no warranty. The one good thing about this unit is the view facing Taal Lake. Of course, yan ang lagi natin hinahanap. If we have a property in Tagaytay, we want na meron siyang view ng Taal. Also, the amenities of this condo nice. They have both outdoor and indoor swimming pool.